I'm Robert Canterbury, President of AIMS. Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn about AIMS and how we've helped petroleum distributors like you for over 40 years. We understand that to be successful in this industry, you have to constantly improve your efficiency and profitability. Our flagship product, Compass Commander, is a state-of-the-art accounting and ERP system designed specifically for this purpose. We have helped hundreds of marketers, from small, fast-growing companies to large, multi-state, multi-branded jobbers throughout the United States.
We bought out an existing wholesaler in December of 2012. It used to be called Coal Oil. It was a very well-run operation, but there were numerous redundancies and checks and double checks and triple checks that were time-consuming. It became very apparent early on that we were going to need some kind of back office system or software system that would support some importing features and functionality that we currently weren't utilizing. When I came in, my background as a CPA, immediately I said, well, we need to get QuickBooks in place. That'll track it. It's very simple and easy to use. It'll at least maintain our records. Well, little did I know it did do that, and the accounting function it maintained very well, but the invoicing function and all of the other intricacies that are associated with jobbership, not so much. So I ended up doing a lot of work inside QuickBooks and a lot of work outside QuickBooks. And I would be double checking data back and forth, just like the Coles were doing, when we took it over. About 4 months in, I told Steve that we've got to find something that combines this because we're doing the same work twice. There has to be a solution out there that will do it once. We have colleagues and friends, and everyone has kind of their different way of doing it. So we ask around, and several names surface. So we were going to research all of the names and see which one fit us the best. Asking around, AIMS had a very good reputation in the market, and that's where we landed. Commander has taken my time from invoice processing and quotation and cut it in half, at least. Not only has it cut it in half, the other side of it that I guess has failed to mention is I don't make as many mistakes. It's much more error-proof. In this business, the margins are slim, and you can't afford a mistake. Mistakes cost you profit instantly.
AIMS was started in 1968 by my dad and is still a privately held, family-owned business. Our financial stability and independence has allowed us to grow and adapt to meet the needs of our clients.
Quality Petroleum started back in 1972 as a small jobber for Amoco. Since then, as we all know, Amoco sold out to BP, and we've accumulated a lot of different properties. We decided to change our software in 2007. We looked at every company out there. We really were trying to be very careful, and we definitely wanted to make sure that the company would be around a long time. And let's face it, it's a very intense investment, and we wanted to get everything we could out of it. And it took us several years interviewing different software companies, looking at their product, seeing what it would do for us. And Commander was the one. When we went to Louisiana to visit AIMS, we were treated really well and got to meet a lot of the people that we had already talked to on the phone. Saw their setup. AIMS had a lot of different people working there. That was good to see, because one of our biggest concerns, again, was making sure that they would be around, and they presented themselves as a company that was going to be around for a while. Their program, we got to see it right there, and I was sold at that time that I wanted AIMS. I wanted Commander, and we went for a few more look-sees, if you will, a couple more programs, and I think everybody really fell for Commander. They were by far the best in customer service I've ever seen. Customer service makes a big difference, because you can have problems with any software, and if you can't get it handled, it's not worth it.
Our team strives to make our technology work seamlessly with your operations. One of the things that we're known for in the industry is our willingness to work with third parties to exchange many types of data, including fuel prices, bills of lading, credit card settlements, fleet fueling systems, convenience store systems, and a lot more.
There were two big items that we had to have when we were looking at software, one of which was the ability to not only directly import credit cards, but to handle the new rewards that most of the majors are offering. The Shell Rewards program, the Fuel Rewards Network, is a relatively new program. In our strategic vision, it's a very important program. It's something that we want at all of our sites and all of our locations. So the processing of that was paramount. Our software provider had to be able to provide this FRN. As you can imagine, anything to do with loyalty can get tricky, as you've got sites that issue rewards, you've got sites that redeem rewards, and you've got to track all this. You're going to be withdrawing monies from A and depositing monies in B. That in itself is a huge task that with Compass Commander is simply a turnkey approach. Again, downloads the information from Excentis for me, brings it in, I process it just like I would normally process any other credit card. It distributes the credits or debits out to the customers as necessary, and I'm done.
Working closely with you to extract data from your current system, AIMS then does the work to build your complete Commander system. We then train you at your office using your actual data. This allows you to focus on your business while we do the conversion work for you.
I was absolutely dreading the conversion from our old system to Commander. Anything like that's always a challenge. I was amazed at how easy it was compared to what I thought it would be. I mean, it is cumbersome and it presents challenges, but AIMS made it really easy. I was really quite amazed at how easy it was to transfer over. It's a lot easier than I thought it would be, and that is the truth. I mean, I'm not blowing smoke up there either. Oh, did I just say that?
AIMS, software for wholesale petroleum distributors.